You have received $10 for the sale of a document. That was 6 hours ago. You have received $10 for the sale of a document, and yes, on that one, $10 for the sale of document and $10 for the sale of the document. So guys, this is how you can actually make money by uploading documents online. It is as simple as ABC. You don't have to invest anything. So guys, here is my account balance right here. So this is my account balance. I'm having $1,102, and guys, I'll be showing you how you can simply make this kind of money, all right, and also withdraw to your maybe PayPal, Pioneer, and so on. So guys, I want you to stay with me right to the end of this video. I know this is achievable. You can also do this. So I'll simply be showing you the platform that we are making use of in this video. Guys, these are the subjects you can simply upload documents on. As you can see, accounting, geology, algebra, health and medical, art and design, history, article writing, law, biology, management, marketing, and so on. So guys, you just need to get documents. You can get documents like your project, your assignment, your old assignment, and you get to upload them on this place. And then whenever you upload and someone view it, you're going to earn $10. So guys, isn't that amazing? So guys, let me show you how you can simply sign up right on this platform, and you can start earning almost immediately. And guys, and another thing I want to tell you right here is that guys, you need to be consistent. So guys, if you can upload loads of documents right here on this platform, I can assure you you'll be able to actually make money, guys. So just have to be consistent. So anything you do in life, you have to be consistent. Now I want to click on here. So when you click on here, you just want to sign up. Someone to sign up. As you can see, you can set documents, you can become educators, you can become a tutor, and guys, you have loads of things you can do right here to start making meaningful money online. So you want to click on sign up, all right? So guys, now to actually sign up on this platform, you can sign up with your email, enter your username, your password, and you just want to click on create an account, or you sign up with Google, or simply sign up with Facebook. So guys, I'll simply sign up with my Google. All right, so I'll simply pause this video and do that. All right, so guys, I've been able to actually create an account right here. So guys, now like I said, this platform is a platform that connects students who need academic assistance with tutors who can simply provide them with that help. Now it is going to be a win-win situation for both parties. Now students get the guidance they need, and tutors can simply earn money by sharing their knowledge. So guys, apart from uploading documents right on this platform, you can also become a tutor, right? Now when you become a tutor, you can earn up to 7,500 per month. So guys, this is really amazing, and you have to be consistent to earn this money, guys. Now something I want to show you, just want to focus on how you can upload document. Of course, you can also become a tutor, like I said. Now I want to click on this side, and you created your account. All right, so you just want to make sure you set up your account very well. Now I want to click on this. Now as you can see, you want to set documents. Now you set documents, you want to click on this, so you know the type of document you can upload right here, than to actually make money. Or you become a tutor, which you can be earning up to 7,500 per month. So guys, you can simply make money right here in Nigeria. All right, you can make money, so you don't have to spend anything. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, make sure you actually click on the subscribe button, and also the like, and like this video, guys. Please, if you are enjoying this video, I want to click on set docs. So when you click on the set docs, you'll be taken to this interface. All right, so now you earn money by sharing study documents, and you simply earn passive income sharing documents with millions of note bank subscribers. All right, they are most of these students, they are subscribers of this platform. So whenever you upload and they view your documents, you're going to earn $10. All right, which is simply amazing, right? So guys, I'll simply scroll down. So these are the top contributors, and the first person, see the amount is earning, the second earners right here, and the third person right here. So guys, I want to scroll down a little bit. Now this is what you upload. This is what you can upload: your quiz, your exam prep, now practice test, exam prep material, and study guides can be a helpful resource for students. All right, now old assignments, so past homework, your projects, reports, presentations, paper, etc., that students can review as references. All right, so you can get all these All right, so you can get all these and upload right here on this platform and start making loads of money. So your class notes, detailed class and lecture notes to help students and learn or understand academic concepts. So guys, if you don't know how to do this, how to turn your class notes to PDF, I'll simply recommend a platform you can use. All right, you can simply go to this platform, all right, which is called this platform, pdf2go.com. You can turn your files to PDF right here, and you can then upload on the studyproof.com. All right, on studyproof.com, which is as simple as ABC. So guys, now this is how you can this is what you want to upload on this. Now, multi-language content, we accept content in all languages from all countries, so that means it is not just country specific. So if you are from Nigeria, if you're from Ghana, if you are from India, you can jump on this and start making loads of money. All right, so all you need to do is simply stay consistent, and I can assure you you'll be able to make $10 per doc build. All right, so you can see right here, you can these are the pro tips. Now, help students find a document by providing strong titles. Doing this has shown to increase sales by 480%. Now, don't have the time to upload docs one at a time. Put all your documents in a zip file or folder, and we will review and upload them for you. So guys, you can do this. Now, 30 most recent uploads, how it works, you can click on that to understand this. So now these are the documents you can drag and drop. All right, so they must be in JPEG, PNG, JPG, GIF, PNG, and so on, guys. So now documents are typically processed within 48 hours, but can take longer depending on the volume. Now, important, you don't need to miss poor quality content with good quality content, and this will lead to very large processing delays and potentially all content being denied. All right, now poor content includes duplicate content with no answer, explanations, and content that is not useful. So by uploading content, you agree to so these are the accepted file extensions. So guys, you just have to read through. All right, so just have to read through to understand this better. All right, now this is how it works: upload documents, upload class notes, old homework, exam, quiz, so now you get approved. Then when students view this, you get to earn $10. All right, you get to earn $10, which is, if you convert $10 to naira now, guys, you know how much that is. So you don't want to joke with this. All right, you just have to be consistent. You can make money with this. You are not paying anybody. All right, this is not get rich schemes. All right, so you just want to make sure you take this serious. Please take this serious. So maximize earnings. All right, these are the do and don't. All right, high quality content, low quality content. Now the high quality content, high quality, all right, should be clean, professional, and free of typos. All right, so you just want to read through, guys, read through, and you need to understand all this. The good quality examples, you can read through. These are the good quality examples. Just want to click on it, download it, and understand it better. Right, now the FAQ. Now, why is it taking so long to upload my document? You want to click on that. Why is it taking long to approve my content? You want to also click on that to understand better. Why do I not see my content in SARS, or how can I boost this? Now, let me simply click on that. Now, to actually boost your document, says you need to follow these guidelines. You need to add strong and descriptive titles to each of your approved documents. Upload documents for popular subjects such as business. So guys, you need to take note of this for you to actually earn money, earn loads of money. So you have to upload documents from popular subjects such as business, nursing, humanities, and writing. Now, content must be high quality, legible, comprehensive, all right, comprehensive, easy to read, and must have accurate and valuable information. Now you can upload hundreds of documents. The more documents approved, the higher chances they can be viewed for you to earn. And whenever they view this document, you're earning $10, which is really awesome, guys. Which is really awesome. And guys, that is how you can simply earn money by uploading documents. You just want to click on upload documents, and of course you can upload your documents. You can start uploading whenever you've created your account right here. So now if you want to become a tutor, you simply go back and show you how you can simply become a tutor. If you want to click on become a tutor, all right, so there are requirements. So you want to read the full guideline to become a tutor. Now to become a tutor at Study Pool, you need to create an account which is free. All right, so you have to create an account. You with the Study Pool tutor account, you can fully switch between student and tutor mode and enjoy the benefits of tutoring on the Study Pool, such as lowered service fees starting at 20%. Study Pool charges the lowest service fee in the market, and we like to give our tutors what they need. So guys, you have to read through, and now for you to apply, you simply want to click on apply now. Now guys, I'll simply be showing you how you can also withdraw your money from this platform. And guys, now whatever you earn on Study Pool, they are going to take 15 to 20% of whatever you earn on this platform. So please take note of that. And of course, let me show you how you can withdraw your money from this platform. So click on balance right here. So you can withdraw your money through PayPal, through Pioneer, then Wise, and others. All right. So now when you click on balance, you're going to see this. All right. 2000 your balance, so fine available. I want to click on now to withdraw your money. Click on withdraw right here. So guys, now you have to take note of this, that Study Pool may charge a service fee of up to 15% per transaction. So you have to take note of that. And I want to click on withdraw right here. So I want to click on withdraw. So I want to click on withdraw. So guys, I'm recording with my phone. So if you are on your laptop, you can see this very well. It's going to be more visible. So right here, as you can see right here, we have Pioneer, we have PayPal, we have Wise, we have Stake, we have others. All right, so you can stick to anyone you're okay with. You just want to select anyone you're okay. Maybe you're okay with PayPal, you want to click on select, or you're okay with Pioneer, just want to click on select. Then you'll be able to receive your phone directly to your or preferred payment method. So guys, this is how you can withdraw your money from this platform. So guys, if you found this helpful, if you found this video helpful, please like this video, make sure you subscribe, and also share with your friends. So guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for sticking with me right up to this moment. So guys, I'll see you right in the next one.